This is not an actual unboxing. I have already opened the box. I have already seen the excellent packaging for this used Canon XA10 video camera. However, B&H Camera did such marvelous work preparing this used XA10 camera for shipment that rather than filling out the survey form for a 5-star review, I want to show how excellent they did this. This XA10 camera came in this cocoon of plastic. The cocoon of plastic was so dense that I had to use this razor-sharp blade to extricate the camera. And here are the accessory components. The remote control, the AC to DC power box, the AC cord, the RCA set, the mount for the external microphone, the dinky 1-hour Canon battery, and the screws for the external microphone bracket. This camera is beautiful, so clean, no dings, no scratches, absolutely clean. This camera will never be so clean again. No scratches on the viewfinder, no dust in the slots for the SD cards. I'm talking with Uzbekistan about a program showing the environmental devastation and recovery of the old Soviet rocket launch sites. Out there in the desert and wind and camels, this camera will get dirty. This XA10 will never be this clean again. Thank you, B&H Camera. Excellent.